Hello students, in this time we will learn the one of the shape of the conic section is about circle. In the last video we will see the shape of the conic sections with the help of a character. Now in this class we will learn briefly about circle. First we start with the definition. Circle is a set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Let me see once again. Circle is the set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Here we write some note here. Here the fixed point. The fixed point in the plane is called center of the circle. The fixed point in the plane is called center of the circle. And second point from the above definition is the distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Here the distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Now we derive the general circle equation with the help of center and radius. Now the equation of the circle with the given center and radius. To derive this circle equation here, we choose the center coordinates. C, h comma k be the center and a small r be the radius of the circle. With the help of the center and radius of the circle, we will derive the circle equation here. And we take one more point also here. Let p of x comma y be any point on the circle. So from this information we derive the circle equation general form. We already seen here for this definition we draw a rough graph. This is the set of all points in a plane. This red color line indicates the set of all points in a plane. Suppose on that red color curve the set of all points are p1, p2 and so on. The fixed point is C, be the center. So from the fixed point C, the equidistance from any point on the plane p1, p2 and so on, like this. Then by the definition of the circle just seen above, now we take a rough graph for the definition of the circle here. Here C is the fixed point, that is the center, h comma k, and r be the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, and p be the any point on the circle. Suppose this is the p point, the point p with ordinates x comma y, be any point on the circle. The distance from C to P is equals to R from this. That's why mod Cp is equal to R. What about mod Cp? Mod Cp means the distance from the point C to point P. Here Cp is the distance between the point C to the point P. We know the distance formula for the 2 points in the lower class, that is square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using that formula, here square root, here p is the second point, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. Now squaring on both sides. S dot O dot R dot S means, B dot S means squaring on both sides. Here root would be cancelled on the left hand side. The remaining part is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. This is the equation of the circle. With the center h comma k and a radius r. Okay. This is the derivation of the equation of the circle. So from this derivation, we write a note here. The equation of the circle with the center not a fixed point, with the center 0, 0 and a radius r. So this is the equation of the circle with the center h comma k and radius r. Here center will be transformed into the ordinates 0, 0. That's why here the center ordinates h comma k are 0, 0. Hence the equation of the circle would be x minus h means 0 whole square plus y minus k means 0 whole square is equal to r square. From that, x square plus y square is equals to r square. This is the general form of the circle equation with the center 0, 0 and a radius r. By using this information, we will look at some problems. This is the Model-1, first model of the circle problems. What is the first model of the circle problems? Is find the equation of the circle with the center minus 2, 3 and a radius 4. Here center is given and radius is given. We use the general form of the circle equation. So by using the general form of the circle equation, we will find the equation of the circle here. So from the given information, center is given c minus 2, 3 and the radius r are also given, that is 4. We know the equation of the circle with the center c h comma k and a radius r, general form, we derived just before, is what is the equation of the circle with center h comma k and a radius r is s x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So substitute the given center and a radius r in the general form. Here center can be choose h comma k and a radius r is 4. Now substitute x minus h means minus 2 whole square plus y minus k means here 3 whole square is equals to r square means 4 square. By simplify, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 4s 16. So this is the equation of the circle with the given center minus 2, 3 and radius 4. Now look at the second problem on this same model. Find the equation of the circle with the center C minus a comma minus b and a radius square root a square minus b square. So we solve this problem same as above. Given center minus a comma b minus a comma minus b and the given radius r is equals to square root a square minus b square. By using the same formula used in the above problem, the equation of the circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. By using this formula, we solve this problem. Here the h comma k values are the center values, that is minus a minus b. Now substitute h comma k values in the general form. X minus h means minus a whole square plus y minus k means minus b whole square is equal to r means square root a square minus b square whole square. So by simplifying this, it would be x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equals to square root square cancel a square minus b square. So this is the required circle equation with a given center and a radius. Students, pause this video and write down these problems. Write down these 3 problems here. All of you try it and comment in the comment box what are the answer you will get. Okay, pause this video, try to solve these problems and try to